Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve the Windows update with the error code 0x8024000d and Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer with the error message. There were some problems installing updates, but we'll try again later. If you keep saying this and want to search the web or contact support for informations, this may help with the error 0x8024000d. So what's behind this 0x8024000d glitch? One of the most frequent culprits is missing or corrupted data with the files that constitute an update, specifically the XML data Windows update needs in order to process things correctly. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to check related services. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and then here at search for apps, and then type this services, and then click open. And once you open up this services, and on right side, and then we need to find this Windows update. So scroll down and find this Windows update. So if it's already running, then you need to right click and restart. If not running, so you need to double click and select startup type automatic. So all you have to do is to select and right click. And then you can see this is not running. So all you have to do is to double click. And then here at general properties, startup type, and then select automatic, and then apply, and then click OK. Alright, and the other keyword is the background intelligent transfer service. So scroll up, and then you need to find this background intelligent transfer service. So all you have to do is to select and right click. And then again, so this is not running. So all you have to do is double click. And here at general properties, startup type, and then select automatic, and then click apply, and then click OK. And the other keyword is the cryptographic services. So scroll down and select cryptographic service. So right click and then select restart, and wait to complete the restart process. And again, and then double click at here at general properties. So startup type, then you need to select automatic, click apply, and then click OK. And the last keyword is the Windows installer services. So all you have to do is scroll down, and then we need to find this Windows installer. So all you have to do is to select. So all you have to do is to select and right click. So this is not running. So all you have to do is double click. And then in here at general properties, so select this automatic, and then click start, and wait to complete the restart process. And then click apply, and then click OK. Alright, so after here at services, and the other solutions we will do is to check corrupted files. So all you have to do is to open up again on a search menu. And then you need to type this CMD, or this is command prompt, and you need to right click and click run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and click yes. And once you open up this administrator command prompt, and then next step, you need to type and enter this command keyword as fc /scan now. So /scan now, that is one word, and press enter. And beginning system scan, this process will take some time. Beginning verification space of system scan. So here we need to wait to complete the verifications into 100%. So this SFC /scan now, this is built-in tool in Windows to fix corrupted files and system. And finally, verifications 100% complete. And then we need to close this CMD. And here at the start menu, and then we need to restart our PC. Okay, so click only. Alright, so that's it guys on how to fix Windows Update with the error code 0x8024000d and Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.